everybody, happy Monday. It's 3 o'clock Arizona time and we are getting ready for the rodeo. Big deal here in town, everyone, cowgirls up. It's when you see everybody wear cowboy boots. So I don't know how much of a rodeo time we'll have this year. Can kind of straighten myself out here with the phone. And it's going to be interesting to see because we have all these fires. You literally cannot see the mountain from my house today, so it's pretty bad, definitely. I came on here today because I wanted to talk about why you should never lower your price or ever give a discount. There's been lots of times in my tenure, hopefully everyone can hear me, that people want discounted housekeeping services. I personally don't feel that you should discount anything unless you blunder it, and then of course everyone's expecting you to discount it. But when you discount it, there's a perceived value, or that maybe maid service or a cleaning service should be a discounted service because it's less than. And I'm telling you that I charge top dollar all the time, and I get it. So part of that is mindset, but the other part of that is that if we all collectively charge the same amount or roughly the same range, there wouldn't be such a discrepancy over the newbie cleaners who are, brand new, who don't know what they're doing, and they're charging by the hour, and it's $20 an hour or maybe $15 an hour because they don't need the money, or they do need the money but haven't realized that they're not making any money, or their husband supports them, so this is just extra spending money with the girls on Friday. It's really important to kind of get that down so that you're not giving a discount. So when someone asks you, say for example, and I've had this happen, I don't know how many times, you have a real estate agent ring. Oh, hey, I need a move out cleaning, and it's not that bad, right? And I'm wondering if you can do it for $200. And I own 15 other rentals, and I will give you those jobs when they come up. First of all, never do that with a real estate agent. I don't have a lot of high regard. I'm really sorry. There are a few real estate agents here in my town that I like, but for the most part, I don't have a high value for them. We actually have, in my area alone, I think the last count, there's 3,200 real estate agents for a town that has just under 200,000 people in it. So we really don't need that many real estate agents for sure, but it's super important that you don't get duped into giving a discount unnecessarily. Opportunities for giving a discount or a free cleaning would be up to you and your discretion. We used to give free cleanings all the time for cleaningforareason.org. I was part of that program for a really long time, and we would average about $6,000 to $10,000 in free cleaning every single year. I did blubber on every single one of those couches. I've given free house cleaning for a year to vets. It just depends on where you are in the process of your business and where you want to be. So not everyone can afford to give out, sorry, there's flies out here, it's getting ready to rain. Not everyone can afford to give out the $6,000 in cleaning every year. It's just hard to write that into the budget. You have to hit a certain price point in order for you to be able to give away that much. That's a lot of money to give away. And then you have to be able to filter them out, because sometimes people will take advantage of you because of one thing or another. So you want to make sure that you are following clear channels and what expectations are. With Cleaning for a Reason, we would have 2 cleanings, and they would get two 2-free-hour cleanings. And if they needed more cleaning after that, they got a discounted rate. This is why I'm bringing this up. And they were already vetted, so I knew that their medical expenses are skyrocketing. They can't afford cleaning. But when you're dying, that's the most time that people want to come see you, is when you're dying, your house is a mess, and you're just like, either you have to let it go, or hopefully you have someone like us who comes in and they clean it up for you and make it all sparkle, and it's just a better feeling for sure. As we all know, when we walk into our own homes and it's sparkly clean, it just makes you feel better, definitely. So you want to stay away from real estate agents who try to work a deal with you. You want to stay away from vets who say, I've done all this stuff. I will give vets discount if they are on active duty and the wife calls me. I'll be more than happy to do that. But if you come there and you flash your card and say, I deserve to have a discount because I'm a senior citizen, or I deserve to have this because I'm that, I won't give you a discount. It's up to me. It's up to my discretion. They don't see the hard cost of what a discount costs, so it's super duper important. And there's also perceived value. So if you're going to charge Susan $168.50 who lives right next to Mary, you have to charge her the same amount, or the two of them will talk and drink wine and then want to know why their same size houses, even though they live two different lifestyle, this person is totally clean and this person over here is not so clean. She can't understand why this person's paying less than she's paying. And you got to be able to explain that. So you got to keep your pricing consistent, and you want to make sure that, you know, neighbors don't talk, because I've had that happen where they corner you in the grocery store and they're like, so you gave so-and-so a deal and you didn't give me one. What did I do to you? And you're just like, just trying to buy groceries with my little ones, you know what I mean? So that's super important. What other discounted things I've had? Just every business and their mother wants you to give them a free cleaning, or teachers union and stuff. If you're going to give out a free cleaning, give it away for like $150. Don't give out $50. They don't understand the concept of the gift card, and then they want their whole house cleaned for $50. That's just a whole mess. So if you are being hit up from your kid's school, when that in fact does resume, it's super important that you put a value on it. I actually stopped doing silent auctions, because what would happen is I would give out a $250 gift card, and Sally, who had been watching the whole time, spent $10, and it just wasn't she was excited, but it wasn't, it didn't really do the benefit of good that I had anticipated. So that was super duper important. I'm sorry, I'm on two phones here. I got one on Facebook and then one on live on Instagram. So I'm hoping that I'm doing this correctly. I've never done two phones at once. So it won't let you record off Facebook Lives anymore. I don't know why. There's some sort of weird glitch with the last update. Anyway, so hopefully you can see and hear me. So there's a lot of reasons why people ask for discounts. They ask for discounts because they can't afford it. So that tells you right away that they're not your demographic. They ask for a discount because they think that house cleaning should be discounted and you should just give it to them because they deserve it. They ask for a discount or a free cleaning for everybody's got a pleading heart story. And I've heard a lot of them. And it's up to you to decide whether you're going to give that discount or not. The only one time, and it's very once in a while. I think maybe one a year is what I end up giving out. And it's because we've messed up and I'm making it better. I highly encourage you to do that, because it's cheaper to give a discount or a free cleaning because you blunder than it is to have them go to social media and actually blast you all over social media. Each 5-star review is worth at least $10,000 in business. Think about that. Each 1-star review is worth $25,000 in business of potential business lost. So you got to do damage control. It's super important. Hi Dee, how are you? Go ahead and give me a like or a thumbs up or something. Hopefully you can hear me. So yeah, we're talking about discounting our services. So I know you guys hear me preach it all the time. If you don't know what the national average is right now, currently it's about $46 an hour per person. I like to work in singles. It's the most profitable business model, and it's super important that you guys are earning top dollar for each and every job. If you need help breaking down how to do a square footage or by the hour or flat rate, which is what I prefer to do, you'll actually make more money, because as you learn that house, you'll actually gain about a half hour of income once you clean it, or if you're out cleaning, or if your helpers are out cleaning, they'll actually get faster, and you're still bidding flat rate and you're still making at least a half hour of profit on top of what you originally bidded at. So that's super important. So if you have any questions about why or why not to give a discount, go ahead and put it in the comments below, or go ahead and message me. It's totally okay. And I look forward to hearing from all of you. You guys take care.